Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. In-text questions. Problem 2.12. What will be the wavelength of a ball of mass 0.1 kilograms moving with a velocity of 10 meter per second? Given. Velocity equals 10 meter per second. Mass equals 0.1 kilograms. Solution. According to de Broglie equation, lambda equals h divided by mass into velocity. Substituting the value. Lambda is equal to 6.626 times 10 raised to the power minus 34, divided by 0.1 into 10. After calculation, lambda is equal to 6.626 times 10 raised to the power minus 34 m. Thank you for your attention. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.